In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop on Adobe Acrobat. By the end, you'll know exactly where the crop tool lives and how to use it confidently so your PDF looks clean and focused. First, open your Adobe Acrobat application. Give it a moment to load, and make sure you're in the full desktop app rather than a lightweight viewer. Cropping is part of the editing toolkit, so you'll want the version of Acrobat that supports editing PDFs. Next, choose the PDF you want to work with and click on Edit a PDF. This tells Acrobat you're switching from simply viewing the document to actively modifying it. You'll see the interface update to show relevant editing controls so you can target the content and layout of your pages. From the Editing section in the left menu, keep your eye on the controls that relate to page-level changes. This is where Acrobat groups options that affect the way a page appears, rather than the text or images themselves. It's a helpful separation because cropping changes the visible area of a page without rewriting the content. You'll see Modify Page, and under it, you'll find the crop symbol. The crop icon typically looks like overlapping right angles. It's designed to help you visually trim away the parts of the page you don't want to show. Think of cropping like placing a clean window over the page. The content remains in the file, but only what's inside the window is visible. Click on it, and that's it. Once the crop tool is active, your cursor will be ready to define the visible area. Drag to outline the portion of the page you want to keep, and release to preview the new boundaries. If you need precision, zoom in before you draw your crop box so edges, margins, and headers line up the way you expect. If something doesn't look right, remember you can undo and try again. Cropping hides content rather than permanently deleting it, which makes it forgiving while you experiment. A few quick tips to wrap up. If your PDF has multiple pages with the same margins, apply your crop consistently so everything feels uniform. If you're preparing a file for printing or sharing, review the cropped result from start to finish to confirm nothing important got tucked outside the visible area. And when you're satisfied, save your work so the cropped view is retained the next time you open the file. That's all you need to locate and use the crop tool in Adobe Acrobat with confidence.